Hello and welcome to Diza Solutions. So today we are going to be using this app known as Authentication for the two-factor authentication on Intelligence Prime Capital. So if you don't have it, just go to your Play Store, download Authentication. Okay, install. All right. So you tap on that. While you are still installing, you wait for it to load up and then we continue. So this one good thing about this two-factor is the fact that it has a backup password. Okay, in case you lost your phone, you can always access it through your backup password. So this is installing. It will soon be done. Okay, so the essence of all this is just for security reasons. There are so many people that are complaining about their IP capital being hacked or something like that. So if you have this two-factor authentication on, it will prevent scammers from accessing your Intelligence Prime Capital account, and they won't be able to part away with your money. So anything that has to do with money, one needs to be very, very careful. All right. So now let me tap on open. So it is very easy to set this authy up. Okay, you just need to put in your country. You choose your country. If you are in Nigeria, you choose Nigeria, United States, anywhere. Just type in Nigeria and it will bring out the country code for you. And it will also request for your phone number. So make sure you use an active phone number. Okay. And after that, it will require you to click any way of verifying your account. So just tap on receive SMS message so that you'll be able to get a code. A 6-digit code will be sent to you. So once it is set, just enter the code. All right, so that's how to set that up. Now I'm entering the code. I want to enter the code. The code are just coming now, so I'll copy it and save it. Hello guys, so welcome to Diza Solutions. So in today's video, I want to show you how to add your two-factor authentication to your Intelligence Prime Capital account for security reasons. So this is authy. So make sure you download this on Play Store. So once you do that, the next thing we need to do is to go to your Intelligence Prime Capital. So I'll close this now and tap on this three icon at the top here and go through profile, click on profile and tap on two-factor authentication. So after that is a two-way, is either you scan or you copy. So this is the code we'll be copying here. So you tap on this place. Sorry, let me come back here again. Two-factor authentication. And you scroll down to get the link. We will be needing this link here. But first of all, let me go and open the authy app so that we can get started. So now once you download your authy app, this plus button here, there's a plus button here. I don't know if you can see it. So this plus button here, you tap on it. You tap on the plus button and you choose enter code manually. If you are using scan, it means you'll be using another phone to do the scanning. So but if you don't have another phone, then you can enter the code manually. All right. So I'll click on enter the code manually. Enter a key to enter code manually. All right. So now I want to copy. I've copied and I've entered the code manually, and I click on save. So authy can store. Then after that, you see secure backups. Also can store an encrypted copy of all your accounts. So if you upgrade or lose your phone, you can easily restore them. Enter a backup password below, and authy will encrypt and backup all your accounts. So the essence of backup is maybe you lost your phone, or you can't have access to your phone, or one thing or the other. You can always get to log into your IPC later on if you have this backup. So please do not skip this part. Make sure you enable the backups. It is very important. In the case of Google notification, there's no option for that. So that is why this authy is very important. Okay, so you'll be able to have a backup for it. Please enable backup. So I will be putting my backup password now. So once I'm done, I'll tap on enable backups. So after that, you'll be asked to search for a logo. Just type generic logo and choose any color and tap on continue. Then you enter your nickname. I am going to use IPC. Okay, then you save. So it's still saving. Wait for it. So after that, you'll be given a token. So I'll copy it. So I'll paste the code inside this box. Remember that I have clicked bind Google account. So I've put the code there that I copied from authy. Then the password is just the same password that you use on your IPCAPITAL. Then click bind Google Authenticator. Okay, so after that, you are done. You can see bind Google Authentication successfully. So once you see successfully, it means that you have bound your IPCAPITAL with your authy app. So hope you got some value. See you in my next video.